What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create an account easily on Jotform. So Jotform is a powerful tool that you can use to create forms and integrate them with your website or service. So if you go to jotform.com, their website, here you can sign up for free. You can sign up with Google, with Microsoft, or sign up with email. So if I click on sign up with email right here, I can enter my name, email, password, and then agree and sign up. And you might want to confirm your email, and then you will be able to create forms. I've gone ahead and created an account, so I'll show you how it'll look like. And that's how my account looks once I create it. Here I can go to create a form. I can create from scratch, use a template, or import form or create signable documents, and then integrate them with my website or service. So here, if I choose a template, you can see there are templates for many things, such as product ordering and buying, registration form, course registration form, customer satisfaction form, and many others.